Okay, update on the CNC machine. I haven't been able to do much because I've been helping a friend build a fence out of reclaimed timber, recycled timber. But I've got the controller there, and I found cables out yesterday for the drivers. They're here somewhere. Oh, here we are. And I've also got a spare in case anything happens when I'm wiring them up. So as you can see, my workbench is a bit of a mess. So this is the computer that I'm going to be using for the CNC. It's an old one that was given to me. There's the memory for it, 1.5 gigs I think. There's 1 gig, and there's, oops, getting camera around, there's 0.5 gig, so that'll run Mac 3. And I've got the cable coming. It should be here in the next couple of days for the printer port. And that's the update with the CNC. I've got the most important tool. Always by my bench. Absolutely perfect. A lovely cup of tea. Right folks, I'm going to drink that now and talk to you later.